Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to another edition of E-Prime. Reggae recording artist Makian is highlighting his musical growth. The artist continues to overcome his challenges and strengthen his catalogue to deliver wholesome reggae music. Makian, back from his promotional tour, is prepping for the release of his debut album. He shares the details on this and other upcoming projects.
Yeah, this is Makian. We're there. What's been going on? Well, you know, I dropped an EP last year titled Makian Art Music. A song on it with Siobhan called My Way. It was one of the bigger songs for me last year. I went away, did some promotions outside of Jamaica. Feedback from the audience outside of Jamaica was really good. We spent about 6 to 7 months in the studio working on an album called Time and Patience. And trust me, it's something where you're going to really enjoy when you get a chance to hear. We, meaning me and my new team, Kongstar Records, did the album together. There's collaborations on it. There's a song with me and Dwayne Stevenson. There's one with Siobhan, which is My Way. We still have put that on the album because that's the song. And there's a really good one with me and Busy Signal named The Sound. We have an album with 14 tracks and it's 14 really good songs. You know, something for everybody. The album has been mixed and mastered already. But what we do first is we put out a single, which is a new song we have out now named Murder. I look forward, in a few months you're going to see the album drop.
Another major deal on the international front for platinum-selling producer Russian, who has inked a deal with the Universal Music Publishing Group. Russian shared the news on his Instagram page with the hashtags God is Great and New Deal Alert. He was pictured alongside Universal Music representatives. The deal has certainly opened up new possibilities for the producer, who will now be among a group of elite, like-minded professionals, top international acts, all of whom are close to the film arm of Universal. Vendetta DJ Alkaline has issued an apology to his UK fan base following the cancellation of his concert earlier this week. Now, Alkaline was scheduled to perform at the sold-out O2 Brixton Academy venue, but organizers pulled the plug after fans got rowdy. The artist is looking forward to his rescheduled performance, but no word yet on the new date. Alkaline, of course, is gearing up for his big Reggae Sumfest performance. On the international scene, Beyoncé has announced her Formation Scholars Program, created to award young women who are not afraid to think outside the box and who are bold, creative, conscious, and confident. Participating schools include Berklee College of Music, Howard University, Parsons School of Design, and Spelman College. Each will have one recipient for the 2017-2018 academic year. The one-time award is worth $25,000 and will cover more than one semester worth of tuition. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you so much for watching.